Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to give Google Ads account access to someone. Okay, so to do that, first we have to log into our Google Ads account. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard of our Google Ads account now. Now you have to click on access and security under admin. And from here you have to click on this plus button, and then as you can see in this option you have to give the email address to which you would like to give the access of this Google Ads account. So I'm giving the Gmail account here, and this is access expiry date, when the access will be expired. So here I'm keeping it never, because I don't want to expire this access I'm giving. So now in this section you could be able to control the access level. Okay, if you give the email only access, the person will only view reports. If you give a billing access, the person will only view billing information and edit billing information. If you give read-only access, the person only be able to view campaigns and user planning tools, view billing information, view reports, edit reports, view users, managers, and product links, and add email only users. If you give standard access, the person will be able to everything you do, but except edit users, managers, and product links. And if you give admin access, the person will be able to do everything you do. Okay, so now giving standard access is recommended. So now click on send invitation. Once you are done, the person will receive an email from Google. If he accept the access, then he will be able to log into your Google Ads account and do steps according to access level. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for today.